Eating to lose fat and build muscle isn't about eating less, it's about eating right. In the next few minutes, you'll know exactly what to eat, what to avoid, how to count your calories, and how to structure your entire day. Whether you're a man or a woman, whatever your starting point is. Before diving in, please subscribe Apex Muscle. Most people make the same mistakes over and over. First, they cut out entire food groups. No carbs, no fats. Whatever's trending this week on social media. And within 2 weeks, they're exhausted, irritable, and right back to old habits. Second mistake, they eat clean with zero idea how many calories they're actually taking in. You can overeat almond butter and avocado just as easily as you can overeat junk food. Clean doesn't mean unlimited. And third, the yo-yo cycle. Starving all week, then binging on the weekend. Your body doesn't know if it's being fed or punished, so it holds on to fat and burns through muscle instead. Why it happens. Nobody teaches the basics, calories in versus calories out, and where those calories actually come from. So people guess. And guessing means no fat loss, no muscle gain, just frustration on repeat. Here's the real breakdown. What to eat, what to avoid, how to count your calories, when to eat, and how this works differently for men and women. Let's start with food. Eat this. Lean proteins, chicken breast, eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and lentils. Protein is non-negotiable. It repairs muscle, keeps you full, and protects your gains while you're in a calorie deficit. Complex carbs, oats, brown rice, sweet potato, whole wheat roti, quinoa. These fuel your workouts and keep your energy steady throughout the day. Carbs are not the enemy. Timing and portion are what matter. Healthy fats, nuts, olive oil, avocado, seeds. Your body needs these for hormone production. And vegetables, eat as many as you want. Broccoli, spinach, peppers, cucumber. They're nearly free calorically and keep you full. Now avoid this. Sugary drinks, fried fast food, refined white bread and pastries, alcohol and diet packaged snacks loaded with hidden sugar. These add up fast and give you almost nothing nutritionally in return. Don't ignore water. Aim for at least 3 liters a day, more if you train hard or live somewhere hot. Dehydration alone can make you feel hungrier than you actually are, leading to unnecessary snacking. Now let's talk calories. Find your maintenance number first. Take your body weight in kilograms and multiply it by 24 to 26. That's your rough daily maintenance calories, the number your body burns just existing and moving. For fat loss, subtract 300 to 500 calories from that number, enough to lose fat without losing strength. For muscle gain, add 200 to 300 calories, enough to build without piling on excess fat. Split your protein, carbs, and fats roughly 30-40-30. Track it for 2 weeks using any free app. Then adjust based on your results, not on how you feel after one meal. Eat 3 to 4 meals a day, spaced 3 to 4 hours apart, with protein in every single meal. You don't need 6 tiny meals or intermittent fasting to succeed. Consistency matters far more than timing tricks. Now here's the difference between men and women. Women generally need slightly fewer total calories and can thrive on a smaller deficit. 250 to 350 calories below maintenance is often enough. Men typically handle a slightly larger deficit and higher protein intake per kilogram due to more muscle mass. But the framework, protein first, whole foods, tracked calories, stays exactly the same for both. Here's what a real day could look like. Breakfast, eggs, oats, and fruit. Lunch, chicken, rice, and vegetables. Snack, Greek yogurt and nuts. Dinner, fish, sweet potato, and salad. Simple, repeatable, and sustainable. Same rules, different bodies. Men and women both build results the same way. Real food, tracked calories, proper hydration, and consistency over weeks, not days.